Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials.
The total for all these items comes to $36.78.
Take my Visa.
There is something wrong with your card.
What's going on?
Your card was declined.
That can't be right.
Would you like me to try another card?
I don't have another one.
What about cash?
I didn't bring cash with me today.
I'm sorry, but you can't take the items until you can buy them.
I'll come back for them tomorrow.
Good morning, sir. Can I help you?
Good morning. I'd like to cash this check.
Yes, sir. Can you show your identity?
What about the driving license?
Don't you have any other identification?
I am sorry. I only have my driving license with me.
Okay. Would you please sign your name on the back of the check?
Thank you. Here you are.
How do you want your money?
Would you give me some in 20s and 10s?
All right. Please wait for a moment.
Good morning and welcome. How can I help you?
Could you tell me something about safety deposit box rental, please? I need somewhere safe to keep some insurance documents. I just simply don't feel comfortable keeping them at home or in the office.
We have 3 different types of boxes. We usually rent for 1 year and the fee depends on the size and location of the box.
I think I'll go for the smallest, as it's just for documents. Will I be the only key holder? I'd perhaps feel a little nervous if I knew someone else could have access to it at any time.
You can have more than 1 key if you'd like, but we must have signature cards for each box.
That's great. I can give an extra key to my wife. I feel perfectly comfortable with her having a key. Thanks for your help.
If you have your ID and are willing to pay a year in advance, we can do that for you today. There is no need to wait.
Okay. I'll take a small, for 1 year, in this branch, please.
Good afternoon. May I help you?
Yes, I'd like to make a deposit.
Which type of deposit do you prefer, time deposit or current deposit?
I prefer time deposit.
Okay. The interest rate for time deposit is higher. Could you tell me it's RIB deposit or currency deposit?
RIB deposit.
Is it your first time to make a deposit here?
Yes.
The term of time deposit ranges from 3 months to 5 years, including 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years and 5 years. How long would you like to keep your deposit?
6 months.
Fill in this slip in ink, please.
Here you are.
All right, just a moment, please.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, Felix Wasserman Associates. Lawson speaking. How can I help you?
Hello. This is Meow Eng calling from Lincoln Bank.
Meow Eng. I'd know that voice anywhere. What can I do for you? Any problems?
No, not at all. I was just calling to tell you that everything has been checked and double-checked, and there is no problem with the documents you brought in this morning.
That is good news.
Shall I go ahead and process them for you?
Perfect. Thanks very much for calling. See you soon, bye. Do you have any questions?
Tell me about fees.
What fees are you referring to?
I want to know about overdraft fees.
We charge a small fee every time you overdraft.
How much?
For each time you overdraft, you have to pay $25.
That's not a small fee.
You shouldn't overdraft.
That's for sure.
Do you need help with anything else?
That's all I needed to know. Thanks.
Hello. May I help you?
Yes, I need some more cash for my visit in China. May I cash a traveler's check here?
Of course. We would be happy to cash it for you.
I was going to cash it at the hotel, but one of my friends said that banks always give better exchange rates.
Well, any bank will cash it at our present traveler's check buying rate, for which we're somewhere cheaper than hotels because of the service charge. You see, hotels really aren't in the money exchange business, although they will cash traveler's check for their guest.
You mean there is really not that much of a difference?
No, madam, not very much.
Well, may I cash these 3 checks for $100 each? I think that will be enough.
Yes, I'll be happy to cash these for you. Would you please countersign them here?
Okay.
Hey honey, how was your day?
It was all right. I ran into Bill and we got to talking for a while. He's in a bit of a jam.
Why? What happened?
Well, his son had an accident and Bill doesn't have health insurance. This really got me thinking, and I wondered if we shouldn't look into a couple of different HMOs.
Yeah, you're right. We aren't getting any younger and our kids are getting older.
Exactly. I searched on the web and found a couple of HMOs with low co-pays and good coverage. The deductibles are low, too.
Sounds good, although, do you think we can qualify for insurance? Those insurance companies are real pirates when it comes to money.
Well, we don't have any pre-existing illnesses or conditions, so we should be fine.
I wish our company or country provided us with healthcare.
Not in a million years.
How are you doing today?
I'm fine.
What can I do for you?
I would like to cancel a check.
Is there a problem?
I wrote the check out for too much.
How much did you write it out for?
I wrote it out for $150.
How much was it supposed to be?
It was supposed to be for $100.
I'll cancel that check for you.
I really appreciate your help.
I'm the mortgage advisor at this branch. You wanted a chat about housing loans?
Yes, I've found a wonderful property I wish to buy. Unfortunately, I just don't have access to the cash.
I see. It's a problem most of us face. May I ask what the purchase price is?
It's 600,000 RIB. But I've already put down 200,000 RIB, which is my absolute limit, so I'm looking for a loan of 400,000 RIB.
So, you've already made a large initial deposit? That is good news. Okay. Let's have a look at your credit details and get this started.
I already have an account with you, so it should be pretty straightforward.
That is good. It should speed things up nicely.
Hello, sir. Are you still there?
Yes, I'm here. What details do you need from me?
Did you check with reception at your hotel?
Yes, I did, but nobody has handed it in as yet.
Okay, that's fine, sir. We just need to ask you some questions for security purposes.
Please, go right ahead.
Could I have your name, please? And do you know your card number?
I'm Mike Kowalski and my card number is 5,211,678.44, but there are some other numbers at the beginning. I'm not sure what they are.
That should be fine, Mr. Kowalski. And your PIN number?
It's 671,029, my birthday. Silly to choose such a simple one, I suppose.
That's completely natural. Most of our customers do the same thing. Could you just hold for a moment, please? Thank you.
Your total comes to $36.78.
Put it on my Visa.
There's a problem with your card.
What's wrong with it?
I believe it was declined.
You're kidding me.
Do you have another card I could try?
I only have one card.
Do you have cash, perhaps?
I don't have any cash on me.
You're not going to be able to take these items today.
I'll be back tomorrow.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel to become a part of our growing YouTube community and to learn English effectively.